Today we are checking out the BLACK+DECKER MTC to 2020 VMAX 3-in-1 cordless compact mower trimmer edger, a clever multitasker aimed at small yard lovers. It shifts between mowing, trimming, and edging in seconds, powered by a 20V lithium battery. Ideal for those who want yard care without gas or cords. Key features and specifications. This kit includes the MTC to 20 trimmer head, detachable MTD 100 mower deck, 12 cutting width, edger capability, and 220 VMAX batteries with charger. Its power drive transmission boosts torque for tackling overgrowth, while the automatic feed spool, AFS, keeps line feeding bump free. You also get adjustable deck height, pivoting handle, and a 2-year warranty. Price typically listed around $179 to $190. Many retailers bundle it with 2 batteries and charger, making it a sweet value for a multi-tool lawn solution. Pros and cons. On the plus side, users highlight its lightweight, user-friendly design, great for seniors or tight spaces, and easy conversion among modes. The power and torque surprise many, slicing through thick weeds and trimming edges smoothly. But some downsides include limited battery runtime, especially on larger yards, smaller 12 deck leaving more passes, and a build quality that feels a bit plastic in places. Customer reviews summary. DIYers and Redditors praise its convenience and power. Surprising power. Don't be fooled by its toy-like appearance, easily slicing through thick grass and stubborn weeds. Home Depot reviewers echo this, calling it lightweight and versatile, ideal for small yards. But a few note battery drains quickly and it's slower on overgrown lawns. Should you buy it or not? If you've got a small yard or need a lightweight, cordless 3-in-1 tool and already use 20 VMAX batteries, this BLACK+DECKER MTC to 20 is a smart pick. It delivers surprising torque, easy transitions, and decent versatility. However, if you own a larger yard, need extended runtime, or prefer a heftier build, you might consider stepping up to a larger deck or beefier mower setup.